Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Hey Google option into a Xiaomi 12. Firstly, open your Google application. Then on the bottom right corner we got more options. Tap it and choose settings. Next tap, choose voice. And here we got voice match. And now tap here on the switcher to activate your Hey Google. Now need give access to your assistants. Tap next and I agree. And how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use. Press continue, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.